Kaden, let's do this one for Grandma and Grandpa, okay?
No, what's mine?
Ready? What does a cow say?
Mew.
What does a pig say? What does a sheep say?
Ba.
What does a doggy say?
Wait.
A dog? A jinky. What does jinky say?
Wait.
Ruff, ruff. What do some other dogs go?
Wait.
Bow, wow, wow. What does a kitty say? Meow. What does a frog say?
Wait.
Ribbit. What does a duck say?
Dog.
Duck. What does a car say?
Mew.
Vroom, vroom. What does a mommy say?
Canoe monkey.
Okay, no monkey.
Dog.
What does Ainsley say? What does the butterfly say? Butterfly, flutter, 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 flutter.
Dog.
What does a snake say?
Dog.
Okay, let's try this one again. What does a doggy say?
Wait.
Ruff, ruff. What does a train say?
Choo.
Choo, choo. Can you say, I love you?
Dog. I'm going to say.
No, you say love, love. Can you give me your nose? A nose and a kiss? A kiss? Okay. Can you say grandma?
Come on.
Oh, good job. Can you say grandma?
No.
Can you say grandpa?
No.
No? How about mama? Can you say mama? What does Kenzie say?
That's very nice.
What does Tackleberry say?
Chick.
What does Daddy say?
God. Oh no. Don't eat.
Sit down and eat? Is that what he says?
No. Alright. No. No. It's not.
How do you spell Kaden? K
Don't.
A
Don't.
D
Yeah.
E